Days after Senator Amy Marcos' claims of an alleged no-election scenario, the Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, stressed it will proceed with its preparations for the 2028 national and local elections, citing the agency should not be diverted by political issues. Our RR Tubise has more in this report.
The Commission on Elections preparations for the 2028 national and local elections are continuing. This was stressed by COMELEC Chair George Erwin Garcia amid talks about a possible no-election scenario in 2028. According to Garcia, as early as now, the Commission is already laying down the draft terms of reference for the machines that will be used in the next elections to ensure transparency and gather suggestions from stakeholders.
Yun po talaga pong ito'y amin pong nagsusumigaw na announcement sa buong mundo sa ating mga kababayan. Tuloy na tuloy po ang halalan sa 2028. Hindi po magpapakahirap ng ganito ang COMELEC. Hindi po namin para ipatawag at ipanghingi ng oras at panahon mula sa ating mga stakeholders kung wala pong pinaplano tayong eleksyon.
Garcia also emphasized that COMELEC's attention should not be diverted by political issues such as charter change. Meanwhile, the Commission clarified that Senator Jinggoy Estrada or anyone facing a complaint may still run for office as long as there is no final judgment against them.
Hanggat ang isang tao ay hindi convicted by final judgment involving a crime or isa pang crime na may moral turpitude or a crime punishable by more than 1 year, ay makakatakbo.
Garcia added that even if an accused person has already been convicted, they may still run while their appeal is pending. RR Tubise from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.